Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to do collaborative workflows with the Google Sheet application to just managing your project. So the first thing you have to do, open the Google Sheet application, and to do collaborative work on a Google Sheet application, it's so simple. You just need to choose the documents that you want to share the work with. For example, you want to share this work with your team, so you just need to go click these three small dots here, and after that you just need to go click manage access. In this manage access, you just need to go change the restricted into the everyone with a link. And now you just need to change it from the viewer into editor, so that people who receive this link are gonna able to access your documents and edit the documents. So you just need to copy the link, and you just need to go into your chat room. You can go into your WhatsApp or email and just keep or paste the link and send them into your work team. So that's the way how to do a collaborative work in a Google Sheet application. So if you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.